Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to install EasyForms on a shared hosting using cPanel. First, download the files from your Codecandio account and extract them. You should see a structure similar to this. Select the app folder and compress it into a zip file. Then go to cPanel, File Manager, upload the zip file to your server, and extract it. You can now delete the zip file. We also recommend to move the application files to the parent directory and delete the app folder. In this way, the URLs will be more friendly. Now run the installation script. Enter the purchase code and click Next. Click Next. To configure the database, we must first create it with cPanel. We must also create a database user and grant it permissions. We return to the application and enter the database information. We test the connection, then save and continue. The app will begin to create the database structure. When finished, we will continue with creation of the administrator account. We copy the cron job command, and there you are, the app is already working. Now, a few additional steps. Add the cron job, delete the EasyForms.sql and install .php files. And that's it. Always easy with EasyForms.